All right, so I'm Brad Goodfellow with Warren Industries, showing you the best features and benefits of the Zeon series of winches. Zeon professional grade winch, designed for the trail leader out there. You know, we've got more than a few vehicles relying on them to get them home each night. Long duty cycle winch, super reliable, made in Oregon. What you're getting with a Zeon, you're getting a little bit faster line speed than the majority of the industry and an entry level winch. You're getting a long duty cycle with the heat sink on here, with the efficient bus bar to transfer the power to the motor. You're getting a smooth operating clutch. You're getting a cast zinc drum that's very heavy duty, and then a premium Spydura rope on the synthetic ropes. Over a Evo winch, the Zeon, you're going to pick up some line speed, and like I said, this winch you're not going to have to worry about running 300-400 feet at a time. This one is going to have a lot longer duty cycle before it's going to have to cool down and before you're going to stress any of the components in there. A standard duty winch, you've got to use it in shorter intervals. And it's just a little bit slower at what it's doing.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.